So you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel. The reason you clicked on this video is because you're hoping to learn some groundbreaking secret to find the motivation to start making videos, hope to learn about what topic you should talk about, perhaps the particular skill set to film, edit, record, upload videos. In theory, all you have to do is start making videos, talking into your phone or a camera and upload, but in reality, you're probably worried about what other people think and you just haven't found the motivation to do so. If anyone has ever done it, it's possible for you too. I started making videos 9 months ago and now I have over 700 subscribers. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how that was possible, how an ordinary person like me was able to start making videos and build their channel, the motivation behind that, and by the end of the video, I hope you feel more confident and stop wasting time, stop having that idea and not acting on it. I want you to act on it and I want you to start your channel right after you're done watching this video. The very first step on the beginner's guide to growing a YouTube channel in 2021 is you gotta make sure to ask your audience to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content because it really helps. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I dreamt about making YouTube videos for years before I actually started. It was so much wasted time and one of the biggest regrets in my life. One day I woke up and said, it doesn't matter what other people think, I gotta live my own truth and start making videos. And I also saw this Graham Stephan video of him talking about him making over $1 million a year from just making videos.
And still to this day, the channel earns anywhere from $4,000 to $8,000 per day, with some recent days exceeding $11,000. That means in total for 2020 so far, this channel has made $1,583,755.81 in ad revenue.
As soon as I saw this, I knew I had to get in the game and immediately started. Right around March 2020, I started working remotely, and my biggest excuse of, oh, I never have any time because I have to commute, was immediately thrown out the window. So right then and there, after I found the confidence and my biggest excuse went away, I started making videos. And on April 13th, you can see on this clip, I had no confidence. I was scared to speak to the camera. I didn't even know what I was saying. My audio was terrible, my lighting. I don't know what was going on, but check out the clip right here.
Hey guys, Trent here. The past couple weeks have been pretty unique. I'm sure on one hand, you've been working from home, trying to remain productive, probably bored out of your mind, not being able to go anywhere. If you don't have roommates, you're kind of isolated, so that must be weird for a lot of you. And then on the other hand, some people have gotten pretty unlucky. There's been quite a bit of unemployment in my system.
As you can see, my SEO, search engine optimization, was terrible. My thumbnail was terrible. My video content was terrible. But here's the little secret that they don't want you to know. All you gotta do is start. I realize all I have to do is keep talking into my camera, keep making videos, keep showing up, keep being consistent, and eventually my channel will start growing. And that will be the same for you. There are always gonna be people out there who make 5, 10, 20 videos and start going viral. The majority of the people, that's not gonna be the case. The majority of the people are gonna be like you and I and have to start making videos, grinding day after day, and eventually you'll start seeing traction. Eventually you'll start finding your audience. So how do you start figuring out what to talk about? The best way to find the topic of your YouTube channel is to ask yourself, what do you actually enjoy and what do you feel like you know more about than anybody else? When I first started my YouTube channel, I wanted to be like Graham Stephan. I wanted to talk about personal finance. I wanted to make millions of dollars a year talking about the stock market, credit card, saving money. So I started to try and be a personal finance channel. Slowly over time, I started making videos talking about dating, relationships, finding jobs, and all sorts of random things all over the place. And it was very difficult for me and my channel to grow because I wasn't adding value to my audience. I wasn't answering specific questions. When you first start out, you have to start making videos around things you're passionate about and answer questions. So I said, okay, what do I know more about than anyone else? Oh, sales. I work in software sales. I've been doing it for the last 2.5 years. I've been quite successful at it. I make a lot of money from it. So I said, let me help other people find their dream job in sales. Let me help other people get better at sales. Let me help other people feel more confident about starting in sales and starting a YouTube channel. And now you have to then sprinkle in videos that appeal to a wider audience, like this video right here talking about how to start a YouTube channel in 2021. So ask yourself, what do you know more about than anyone else, and what are you actually passionate about? Is it dogs or cats, and you talk about the best way to take care of dogs or cats? Is it answering questions as to how to get in shape, etc., etc.? Just ask yourself, what do you like to actually talk about? And by talking about that and being consistent and diving deep in that subject, you'll start to become a subject matter expert, get likes, get subscribers, start to grow your audience, and then perhaps you could even make a job out of it one day. It's actually a lot easier to start than you think. A lot of people have limiting beliefs that they're not enough, or, oh, I don't have the right equipment. You can start recording on your phone, but when you eventually get to a place where you're more serious like I am, all I did was I invested in a ring light, as you can see right there. I bought a little wireless mic that goes right there for better audio. And then I bought a camera, as you can see right here in my phone, just a Canon camera. All in, I spent $500-600, which is a lot of money, a large investment. But by putting that money down, that really reinforced myself, hey, Trent, you're serious about this. You got to keep doing it. And I've absolutely gone through peaks and valleys where I said, a good week for me is making 3 videos a week. And then I got to the point of, okay, what is the best way to grow? I have to be absurdly consistent. My content's not necessarily better than anyone else's, so how do I differentiate? I'll differentiate by just having a ridiculous work ethic, and I have now made videos and put them out for 30 days straight. I've put out about 143 videos over the last 9 months, and my goal, my dream is to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. I hope if you're still watching this, you hit the subscribe below for more videos like this. But my plan is simple. I'm just gonna keep putting out videos each and every day until I get there. It doesn't matter how long it takes. It doesn't matter what anyone else thinks. All that matters is I'm living my truth and I'm putting out content. So if you have had that idea in your head of, hey, I wanna make videos, hey, I wanna be like David Dobrik, Logan Paul, all these guys, don't go into it just for the money. Go into it of how are you gonna help other people? How are you gonna entertain them? How are you gonna educate them? How are you gonna help answer their questions so that you can add value to other people? And the beauty of YouTube videos is its ultimate leverage. You do the work up front, you put it out onto the internet, and the algorithm takes care of the rest. And you can start to get views and clicks as you sleep. You can start to help people. People will start to reach out to you, thanking you. It's an incredible feeling, and if I've helped you in any way, I appreciate your support, and thanks so much for watching. Moving around, getting a lot of different angles here. As I said at the beginning of the video, here's the punchline. I'm not gonna share anything today, and I don't think I've shared any specialized information that you didn't already know. All that it's gonna come down to is you deciding, hey, I'm not gonna waste any more time, tactical advice, skill aside, I just need to start. You just need to start making content. You just need to start recording yourself and start putting it out there for the world to see. It doesn't matter what anyone else thinks. As long as you like it and as long as you're having fun with it, you'll be able to stick with it. And by sticking with it over time, even if your videos aren't good like mine, people will start to notice. People will start to see you. You got to show up to be seen. And that's really all that it takes to start a YouTube channel in 2021. Show up, be seen, share your opinion, be heard, and you'll start growing your channel as a result. I really appreciate you if you've been watching this video. I hope you got some value out of this. I know it was a little bit different and I didn't really talk about tactical skills, how to create thumbnails, how to edit, how to optimize for SEO, search engine optimization. If you have any specific questions, I want to help you. Comment below how I can help, what question you have. Hit me up on LinkedIn and I'm happy to help you any way I can. I hope you start a YouTube channel. I hope you're successful. I hope you grow fast. I hope I grow fast. I hope we all grow fast. And just because one of us is being more successful than the other doesn't mean the other can't be successful. So don't compare yourself to these other people who blow up really fast. Don't let that discourage you. Start, meet yourself where you're at today and just start. That's your call to action. If you don't start today, you're never gonna start. See ya.